right, welcome back. Happy Monday. We are starting a court term in Oree today. The judge will be qualifying the jury this morning, and we'll sort of see where it goes from there. I can tell you that we had two judges scheduled, but one of them has got tied up in a case in Columbia and probably won't be with us until Thursday. So I would suggest that this is going to be a tough week to get an awful lot done. We really have limited court time, and when we do, we try to make the best out of it, but there's some things you can't really have too much control over. We did get a question last week, so I'll go ahead and address that. It deals with the same thing. The question was a particular case in Georgetown, but it could be any case. Why does this take so long? The real easy answer is the judges control the docket now. Forever, the prosecutor knew what was ready and would talk with the defense attorneys or the public defender's office weeks and months in advance and put together a trial roster. Right after COVID, when the courts opened back up, they gave control of the docket to the judges and to the clerks of courts. And obviously, those guys will not, they don't have the files. They don't know when something's ready or when something is not ready. So that it's taken a lot of getting used to. With regard, there's always, not giving excuses or anything like that, but there's always things that we can't test here in Horry County or in Georgetown. So we have to send a lot of stuff to SLED. SLED is a little bit backlogged, but in that particular case, and in most that get a couple of years old, those will be ready. The only people that would know that is the prosecutor and the defense attorney, because once we get it, we send it over to the defense attorney. So sort of what's happening now is they're just relying on the oldest cases to the newest in Georgetown. It's not quite the same way in Oree, but that's how they are doing it in Georgetown. All of that case is ready. We have told the judge that we're ready. We've told the defense attorney that we're ready for that case and that we would like to try it in the summer. So we have told the judge, we've told the defense attorneys that we would like to try the case in the summer. We are in April now, at the end of April, so we're talking about June or July. We don't get to set that case. All we can do is ask for those dates. So that's what we're asking for in Georgetown. All of the stuff is back from SLED. Another part of that question was, I just watched Alec Murdaugh, and that case was really quick. Look, that Alex Murdaugh case, everybody, the judiciary, the SLED, everybody else sent everything to the front of the line because of the national media on the case. And it would be, the state wanted to put their best foot forward. When I say the state, the judiciary, with the Murdaugh case. So every case, they're not going to move every case to the front of the line. They're not going to assign a special judge, those sort of things. That is where we're at today. We, the state, have done everything that we can to suggest to the judge that that case is ready, that the community wants to see it tried, and we're ready. And I think the defense is ready. I've talked with them. It's just, will the judges put this on for, will the judges and the clerks put this on for June or July? I'll update you next week as to how this term of court went in Oree, knowing that one of the judges won't be here until Thursday, but we'll check back again on Monday. If you have any questions, concerns, obviously leave a comment or call, and we'll try to address them.